Hey guys, this is JohnyTechReview. Today I have a quick review for you of this NYNE Cruiser Bluetooth speakers. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker that's designed for on the go. It also comes with some nice interesting mount like this little mount here for the bicycle, so you can mount it on your bike. The other accessory you get in the back is a micro USB charging cable along with a nice 3.5mm auxiliary cable. You have here a stack up user menu for the various different country. It's a lot of paperwork here as you can see. And then finally you have a nice carrying pouch. There's a neoprene carrying pouch that's very nice. So here's the main unit. As you can see, it is probably around 8 inches or so across. You have some speakers up here as you can see, 2 driver up front here. These are your button on the side. You have this nice rose golden color here. So you have here fast forward and rewind here. You have here a hang up call, volume up and down, and then the play and pause button. And on the side here you can see there's the NYNE logo, and in the back you have some port. There's the output for USB to charge your mobile device if you want to. Here is the input, micro USB charging port, power button, and then the auxiliary input. At the bottom, of course, you have these rubber feet that will stand on a table just like this, and you also have the slot here for the bicycle mount if you choose to mount this on the bike or your bicycle here. So upon powering on the unit, as you can see right here, there is a blue light and it's blinking right now to show you that it's ready for pairing. And on my device here I can see it's called the NYNE Cruiser, as you can see right now, and we're just gonna go ahead and connect to it. And now it's ready, and as you can see now it's ready as you can see. The only disappointing thing is being a new Bluetooth 4.0 here, it didn't implement the iOS battery meter here, so that's a little bit disappointed. Most of Bluetooth device now in iOS will show you the battery meter. So let me just go ahead and launch a YouTube video here. Volume is very small right now. Turn it up. Bluetooth headphone. This is a Bluetooth 4.0 wireless headphone. It also supports aptX clear sound protocol. It has great battery life and can also make. And you can see here I can pause it and resume using this button up here, of course. Phone call. It comes in a small package like this. As you can see there, my video will come out sounding really nice. Let's go ahead and resume here. Volume up a little bit. Not much information. In the back here, say designed and engineered by SoundSoul. So you do have control of volume on your phone and also on the speakers. If you want to maximize it, you don't want to maximize it on both area. So let's just the vocal sound. Let me go ahead and test some music. So as you can hear now, sound quality is quite good. The only complaint I have is that when you're playing acoustic music or something a little bit softer, there's a little bit of vibration come from the speaker and the grill, and that kind of gives that annoying distortion. I didn't really like that. When you play in popular music, you know, hip-hop, R&B, where you have a lot of bass, that noise you will not hear. But when you're playing something with a little bit more high pitch, like the song I just played, you will hear that little ringing noise. And I feel like that just is the build quality of this unit. It could be a little bit better, and I think so that's a little bit of issues that I didn't like right now. If you will use this outdoor at night, you can actually plug in something like this, because this is a power bank also. So you can plug this in here and get a nice little light. There you go, kind of nice. And you can also of course use this port to charge your mobile device. So here I have a lightning cable, and we'll use this now to charge my phone, to demonstrate right now. You can see it's charging, and it actually let you know that it's connected. So here I have the little attachment for the bicycle attached, as you can see, and of course you just slide these into place and it just stay like that, and then these will clamp to the handlebar of your bicycle or your bike. I have a mountain bike, so I didn't use that for this purpose, but it is there if you need to use it. I guess this is one of the selling point of the device, but I didn't see the need to mount this speaker on my bike. So here is that carrying case. It's very interesting. It's a very tight fitting case, so you do want to put it in correctly. On the unit, remember those buttons, you do want to line up the same exact way, and it actually is not too bad to put in the case, but it does require some effort. If you put it in incorrectly, backward or something, it'll be very tough. So just make sure you line up the play button with this guy here, and then you're good to go. These would know those buttons, then they actually works pretty well over here. So I can just press the button on here and actually resume music just like that. You can see I can change track, of course. You can also change jack by pressing this, you can see. So I can change to a different track. It works pretty well, as you can see right now. And earlier when I mentioned there's a little bit of vibration in that speaker grill, when you put it in your back, that little noise went away. So that maybe the speaker grill is a little bit loose, and inside this little case here, it actually tightened everything up, and that little vibrating noise disappeared completely. So yes, overall it's a very interesting little product. You can just hook this to your bag or something, carry it like this, and use it inside the bag just like this. And also you can just mount it using the bicycle. So it's very interesting. So overall it's a pretty cool and neat little product. Definitely an interesting concept here with the case that you can use the button outside. I do want to point out that this unit is not waterproof, and so do not use it in the rain or anything like that. I think it can take a little bit of water, but it's definitely not designed for that kind of application, which is somewhat slightly disappointing because you know, it comes with a bicycle mount and stuff, so you might be outdoor and there's a little clip here and stuff like that. But I would not use this and expose it to a lot of water, like, you know, drenching rain, otherwise you might damage the unit. So finally, I do want to point out the internal battery is rated for about 10 hours. I personally did not use all 10 hours continuously, but I did use it over a period of a week, and still have a little bit battery left over using it daily for about an hour or two. I couldn't find anywhere in the specification or online how big the internal battery is. I do want to point out that the iPhone 5s has a battery capacity of 1580, I believe, and this unit was able to charge it completely with no problem at all, and there was still battery left over to play with it. So I guess the battery is probably in the 3,000 or 4,000 range, but they didn't really advertise that or show it anywhere. One last thing I do want to point out, it does has NFC support. However, I do not have an NFC device to test that out, so just want to let you guys know that. So I hope this quick little review helped you in your purchase decision. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below, and as always, stay tuned for future review. Thank you.